So I thought this was going to be a great idea, and then anyways, hi you guys, what is up? My name is Melissa. Welcome to Melissa 2.0. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because why not? I know it's been a little small minute. It's been like a month, maybe two, since my last video. And as you guys know from my last video, I have moved to New Jersey, right outside of New York City. I live in Newark. Let me show you guys my view. So here you guys, I'm on the 7th floor of my building, and I mean, that don't look too great. Well, that doesn't look too great. That's an okay view. But that view out there, oh, yes. But I've just been busy adjusting to having a new job, adjusting to living in a new environment. So just bear with me guys, please, okay? So as you can tell by the title for today's video, I am going to be DIYing my t-shirt. This is a super simple, dummy-proof, fail-proof way to not only crop your shirt, but also make it so that it hugs your waistline. So if you have a couple of old shirts in your closet, or if you've recently gone thrifting and you want to alter your shirt, here is one way you can do it. So if you want to see how I go from this to this, just keep on watching. Okay, so for materials today, I'm going to be using an elastic band. Here I'm just showing you guys that they do come in different sizes and range from $2 to $5, and you can find these at your local Walmart, Michael's, Joann's, craft store. I'm also going to be using fabric scissors to cut my shirt and fabric glue to glue the shirt, which will make more sense when we get to that part. You may or may not need a writing utensil to mark exactly where you want to cut the shirt. Of course, you'll need the shirt that you're working on. I know I switched up the shirt on you, but I felt like I did a better job recording the alterations made for this shirt, but I'll still show you how I did both shirts. So first, I'm going to lay my shirt on a flat surface and make sure there aren't any folds or flaps that would prevent me from being able to cut my shirt. Next, with my scissors, I cut my shirt to the length that I desire. You actually want to leave a little extra space because we will be folding the bottom of the shirt upwards, which will make your shirt a bit shorter. After that is cut, go ahead and turn the shirt inside out. Next, I'm going to take my elastic band and line it up with the bottom of my shirt. This is the length of elastic I need for one side, and then I just fold the elastic again for the length of the other side and cut. Now that I have my elastic measured again, I'm going across the bottom of my shirt with it, and I'm placing a bobby pin right above it so I know how much space I need to leave to fold over when I start gluing. As you can see, I'm taking the same elastic piece and now placing it above the bobby pin. This is where I'll be putting the fabric glue. Now I'm taking my fabric glue and gluing right above the band. I found it easier to work with small sections at a time, so that's what I'm doing here. Glue, then fold over, glue, then fold over. Now you don't need to keep the elastic there I am right now, just for reference. After I've completed one side of gluing, I'm going to flip my shirt over and repeat the process for the other side. I would let the shirt dry for 20 to 30 minutes before beginning to thread the elastic band, which is the next step. Once you've glued the majority of your shirt, you want to leave about 2 inches open that's not glued, and this is how we will get our elastic band through. So after letting my shirt dry for 20 minutes, I take my elastic band and I poke a hole right at the edge of it with scissors. Once I have that hole, I'm going to use my bobby pin and put it through the hole. You can also use a safety pin as well. Once that is through, I'm going to take my elastic band, starting with the bobby pinned side, and thread it through the entire shirt. After that is complete, I need to secure the ends. You can do this one of 2 ways. The first would be gluing the ends with fabric glue, and the other is sewing the shirts together, which I found makes it more secure. Lastly, take the fabric glue and glue the remaining portion of the shirt closed. And there you have it. Now here I just wanted to show you guys the final product, how the shirt looks on me. Don't worry, I'm not getting naked. I just wanted you to be able to see where the shirt falls on my body, which is right at my belly button. And then I'm showing you guys what I would pair the shirt with, which are these army pants from Fashion Nova, and then these shoes I got from overseas. They're called DB Sharks. I don't remember the name of the website though. But yeah, I'm cute. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys how I altered this sweater, which I got from the Goodwill. I literally did it. Well, I won't say literally did it, but I did it the same way I did the Yale shirt. However, I did make a couple mistakes on this shirt, which you will see. But yeah, just enjoy. And voila, this is what the final product is looking like. I love this sweater, I love this color. Again, just wanted to show you guys where the shirt falls on me, which is right at my belly button. And then this is what I would pair it with. These jeans, again, from Fashion Nova. I love Fashion Nova jeans. And then I have these Nike shoes. They're kind of like shoes older teachers would wear, older white teachers. But I love them. All right, now you guys have just seen how I took 2 shirts and I was able to crop them. I hope my video was clear because I know I picked up a little. But go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I almost forgot. We reached 100 subscribers. Do you know? Oh my God, y'all, we reached 100 subscribers. I am so excited. You guys are so freaking awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching and sticking in there with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.